What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, one thing about investing that I feel like a lot of people mistake about the journey is the amount of patience that you need. There are people that just want to see it, anything explode, XRP explode to a huge level, which everybody wants to see that. I want to see that. But I also have deep in my mind that I have to be patient in these markets because, especially when it comes to something that's speculative, things can blow up in a second, but they also can come back in the next second after that, right? So you have to find patience when you feel like something is going to be worthwhile, when something is going to have staying power for 5, 10, 20 years. You have to be patient to see all of these things work out. As an investor that wants to make money, as an investor that wants to be a part of something a lot bigger to create, maybe a legacy or some sort of end to that journey, a positive end to that journey, you need to make sure that you are patient in the process. So with that being said, I've found ways to be patient but then also gather more as I'm going along. And I want to talk to you about how, right, not right now, be fully transparent. Not right now, I'm not gaining $1,000 per day holding XRP. However, it is more of a potential $1,000 per day that I'm gaining with XRP. And this is based on what my end goal is with this and what XRP will be worth, what XRP will be used for, all of those things. So understand that this is potential. I can tell you what I'm gaining right now, as well as what the potential is that I will be gaining in the future with my expectations. So if you can, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out my link down below for BTCC if you guys are interested in it. This is a great platform that I've been using for over a year or 2 years, actually, getting to 2 years. If you use my link, you'll get a 10% deposit bonus, extra bonuses up to $10,055. You can enjoy up to 40% lower trading fees. And this is all with no VPN, no KYC that's required. It's a great platform that offers you leverage trading as well as demo trading if you guys are interested in just seeing if you can be positive in the market. Also, make sure you check out my link for FortisX, where they're offering a 19.62% variable APY with no lockups. You can withdraw anytime. They have liquidity pools. They have managed staking. Definitely go ahead and check them out. They've been around since 2018. Audits and all of the things that you want from a company like this. So definitely go ahead and check them out. The link will be down there in the description. We'll talk more about them later. But XRP currently stands at a $1.06 price, right? So understanding patience, you got your tail in my face, man. Understanding patience is very important, right? Especially when you see XRP where it is, because it was at a $3.65 price, and now it's sitting at a $1.06 price. It is up in the last day, the last 24 hours. Volume is down by 44%, but still sitting at 1.4 billion. And the market cap is at a $66 billion level. Circulating supply, it's approaching the 63 billion coin mark, but then also holders are sitting around 500,000. Oh, let's say we're going to round up and we're going to push to 600,000 very soon, but it's at 538,000, even though really don't round up when it's in the threes or fours, but still, right? I'm optimistic, so I'm looking for it to get to 600, 700, a million holders. But I wanted to talk about what I'm potentially gaining. Now, understanding this, patience is very important. I have 200 plus thousand XRP in my possession. I've held from 50 cents, bought more at a dollar something to give me a $1.22 cost basis. And to see it grow to $2 and $3 and approach $4 was phenomenal to see. But I wasn't ready to start my exit plan yet. My exit plan started around $5 and it didn't get there yet. It didn't even get close to that level. It got to about $4, rounding up to $4. But if it got close enough to 475, maybe I would have started my journey there, potentially, but it didn't get close to there. So my exit plan didn't start. I'm patient. I can see it fall down. I can see it recover. That's what I'm looking for. There are many people in this world that are not patient at all. And they would give up on XRP, or maybe they'll have something positive that happens where they sell high and they buy back in low. That would be great. But there's not a lot of people that will be able to fully time the market. So many people will make a mistake and sell lower than what they wanted to, not buy back into it. And then they're stuck on the sideline when this thing explodes to 5, 10, 20, 30, 50, $100 or so. Or the people that sell at these low levels and say XRP is never coming back, and then it explodes and then they really miss out on absolutely everything. So in the process of me holding XRP for a long period of time, I've been able to use FortisX, today's video sponsor. I've been able to use FortisX to my advantage, right? Anything that's going to give me a benefit in the end, I'm going to take advantage of that fully. But it offers you a 19.62% variable APY. And while we see those, variable APYs operating since 2018, public U.S. filing, SEC Form D, as well as public audits, right? So we know that, reliable, transparent, all of those different things. I decided to take a portion of my XRP, not a lot of it, right? Not 200,000, which I probably could have if I wanted to, but I took 20,000 coins. It is a mere 10% of what I own, and I am gaining a lot of XRP every single day. So if we go in here and we look at my portfolio, again, I currently have 21,401 XRP as a position amount. It's in a liquidity pool, and in the last 3 days, I've gained 32 XRP. 32 XRP. That means I'm gaining about 10 to 11 XRP every single day. Now, you're probably asking yourself, how is that $1,000 a day? How is 30 XRP or 10 XRP $1,000 a day? Well, it's based on what my potential is, in my opinion, right? This is not necessarily yours, right? Wherever you're looking to sell, you might look at it that way. But right now, I'm gaining $10 a day because it's sitting at $1. When it gets up to $3, I still will be gaining the 10 XRP, which then I'll be gaining $30 every day. So as the price of it grows, I still gain a certain amount of XRP, not a certain amount of dollars. Do you get what I'm saying? So let's say this does get to a $100 price point, a $100 price point in the future. Every day that I gained 10 XRP and didn't sell it, I gained $1,000 every single day that I bought. Right now, it's $10 and it's worth $10. That's like me deciding to buy gold at $1. And then I look on in the future, it might be 5 years from now, and that one piece of gold is worth $1,000 or $2,000, right? I made the investment, it's $1, but I've gained so much in the process. So every 10 that I gain, I'm gaining a lot for that future potential, especially if you do believe in it. If you don't believe in it, then I'm gaining $10 a day, maybe even less to you. But for me, as I see with my end goal and my middle game, or even the lower end of what I believe it's going to get to, we can still see massive gains, right? Whether it's $200 a day, whether it's $500 a day, or $1,000 a day. These 10 XRP that I'm gaining every single day can be worth so much more in the end. And people look at it at whatever the price is right now, and they're going to go, you're gaining $10. Well, what happens when XRP gets back up to $2? How much did I gain then? Oh, I still gained $10? No, I gained 10 XRP, which is now worth $20, right? Instead of $10. I gained 10 XRP, which is now worth $30. I gained 10 XRP, which is now worth $500 or $1,000, right? So look at it differently, because you have to have patience in this market. Instead of looking at it for what it is, look at it for what it's going to be. That's kind of the way that I associate these things, especially when it comes to staking. A lot of people will look at what it is and they're like, you're gaining this many dollars. No, it's not based on dollars. It's based on the coins that you're getting. I'm getting 10 coins, whether they're worth $1 or they're worth 100 or they're worth 1,000. I'm getting 10 coins. So take that however you want to take it. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. This is all with FortisX. If you guys want to check out FortisX in the description, please do so. I mean, they keep your holdings working for you with liquidity pools, managed staking, many different things. But I've been able to take advantage of what they've been able to offer, and I hope you can too. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.